Hello everyone, thanks for showing interest in this video of Xbox Dolby Atmos configuration, and also thanks for showing constant support to the last two videos, one for Dolby Atmos soundbar unboxing and Dolby Atmos hardware requirement and first impression. And before getting into the video, let me first try to brief what I'm going to do in this video. So now we have unboxed the Dolby Atmos soundbar. Now we have to set up Dolby Atmos to actually receive the Dolby Atmos signal from the TV or Xbox or any player. So let me show my setup. So in my setup I have an Xbox, and very right next to that, that's the subwoofer, and HD TV, and here you could see it's a Dolby Atmos soundbar. Yep. So I have connected the Xbox input to the HDMI one, and then TV is connected to the soundbar via ARC. This particular soundbar provides 4K HDR ARC, so even if it's a 4K TV, we should be able to connect that to get a full HD 4K resolution. But I don't think Dolby Vision support in this. So if you guys are planning to have a Dolby Cinema by enabling Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, I don't think this soundbar gonna support that. So now you guys have seen the actual setup what we have, so that should be pretty much clear. Now let's see how we need to enable the Dolby Atmos in Xbox One S or any other application or TV. So in case of Xbox One S, we have to go to the settings and then volume and audio output, and here we have HDMI audio. We can actually we have to select bitstream, and the bitstream we have to select HDMI Atmos. So actually there is a little bit of trick involved in this. So to get actual Dolby Atmos, we have to install Dolby Access app. So let's first go and get the app. So this app is free for the home theaters. So install this application. It's gonna take some time. So looks like I have some game in progress. Let me pause off, and then I will enable this installation. Okay, so now this app is getting installed. So while installing, I need to convey some basic information. Why actually we need HDMI to pass through the Dolby Atmos signal. So the Dolby Atmos signal is much more complicated than a normal 5-channel signal. So if you see 5.1 or 7.1 DTS signal, so that they have to just configure 5 different speakers. But in case of Dolby Atmos, each single sound is being configured as an object. So actually we need a different set of signals to pass through for each sound to get a real Dolby Atmos. Yeah, so once we have installed the application, you guys could see in the down that we can see the Dolby Atmos popping up over there. Coming back to the point, I think that's why, like, if you want to split up the Dolby Atmos, so if the Dolby Atmos signal is going to a TV and coming back to the soundbar, you have to have eArc. Arc is not sufficient for Dolby Atmos. Arc is sufficient for 5.1 or 7.1 Dolby Digital or DTS, but not for Dolby Atmos. So that's why Dolby Atmos soundbar are coming up with an inbuilt ARC capability, so that even a Dolby 4K HDR video can pass through, but not Dolby Atmos. So before buying any Dolby Atmos soundbar or investing some money, please make sure that you have the right hardware requirement for this. Since I had my Xbox, which I bought a couple of months back, so I was able to invest in this Dolby Atmos soundbar. So in case like if I don't have the Xbox One S, I should have bought some kind of Nvidia Shield or any other player to make sure that I have the right Dolby Atmos access. And if you guys don't have anything but still wanna enjoy the Dolby Atmos content, make there is a player called Amazon Fire Stick 4K resolution. That's not a normal player. So in that actually you can directly plug that player into the soundbar and you can get the Dolby Atmos sound, and then need to arc the signal back to the TV. Yeah, so now done with the explanation, let's go and see how what are the thing we support over here. So let's go back to settings, and the settings we go to TV and not TV and display option. So volume and audio output. So here the bit stream. So these are the via HDMI we can actually pass through these many signals: stereo uncompressed, 5.1 uncompressed, 7.1 uncompressed, and bit stream out. So we need the bit stream out, and we have in the bit stream out we have DTS digital sound, Dolby digital, and Dolby Atmos for home theater. Let's see like what gonna happen if I select DTS digital surround. So in the soundbar you can actually see it should be actually going around. Yeah, so now you could see like Dolby surround is being selected, and if I select Dolby Atmos, now it should actually change. Yeah, Dolby Atmos, we need to give some time. Okay, so I would suggest like let's select Dolby digital. Okay, and now we have Dolby surround, and now let's go back to Netflix and see some movies. So now we have enabled only Dolby digital, not Dolby Atmos. Yeah. So if you go to see the Lost in Space is one of the Dolby Atmos enabled content, but if you see here, okay, so if you see here that Netflix is able to identify that our soundbar is capable of only handling 5.1 sound, since we have set the default audio stream as default audio output from our Xbox One as Dolby digital. So now let's go back to the settings and general output. So bitstream Dolby Atmos. So now I have selected Dolby Atmos. Now that should sync with the Dolby Atmos soundbar as well. Yes, we got that. Going back to Netflix and yes, let me restart Netflix. Yeah. So setting the Netflix again, opening the Netflix again. Now we should see Dolby Atmos over there. Trust me guys, Dolby Atmos is seriously enjoyable. I could actually get some different immersive sound experience. Yeah, so in case of Lost in Space, so now you guys could see here it is coming like, yeah. So usually like my TV is not an my TV is not a 4K TV, so it supports only HD, and but my soundbar supports Atmos. So there are like multiple titles which can actually, there are actually multiple titles which can actually have Atmos experience. So yep, so probably I will actually compare Dolby digital, Dolby surround, DTS, and stereo output and Dolby Atmos for certain movies, and I will share the video. Looks like I'm going to get some copyright issues, that's why it's taking a little bit of time guys, but stay tuned. I will try to make sure that some way to get some content and play it in the soundbar and see the sound difference. And let me know guys if you have any suggestion to experiment the different type of sounds in this particular sound bar. And thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions around like setting up this Dolby Atmos soundbar, and make sure that If you are just relying on your TV, make sure that you should have eArc. I am like repeatedly insisting the point because I don't want you guys to wrongly invest money on this Dolby Atmos soundbar and not able to enjoy the Dolby Atmos content. Thanks guys, please keep your constant support. Please leave your comment in the comment section below if you have any questions related to any of the sound systems. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, and thanks a lot. See you in next video.